I cussed this guy out at an LA Fitness, but believe me, he had it coming. Bam! Big Jones, the Juggernaut. What's up, everybody? Look, if you haven't noticed by now, I make a little noise in the gym.
That's it.
Just a little. You know, people are forever making jokes about, did anybody ever call the cops on you? Did anybody ever kick you out of the gym for making too much noise? Well, actually, yeah. I was working out at an LA Fitness in Phoenix, Arizona. I'm putting their asses on blast right now. The guys who work there are freaking douchebags, but that's beside the point. Anyway, I was actually training for a competition back then, so I wanted to make sure I went to the gym. I bought the little day pass that costs like $30, man, for one day, man. 30 bucks. Unbelievable. I'm in the gym. I'm doing my thing, making all kinds of gains. You know, I'm trying to get this workout done. And this goofy looking baldy headed jerk off comes up to me and says, hey, bro. Anytime somebody calls you bro too many times, something terrible is about to happen. Bro. Look, man, I know you're making some serious gains over here, man, but we've had some complaints and I'm gonna need you to bring it down a little bit. I don't take kindly to people telling me what the hell to do. I'm a fucking grown-ass man, okay? I'm a grown-ass man, especially when I'm in the gym. You don't mess with me when I'm in the gym. Do you come down to the zoo and poke the freaking tiger when he's doing tiger shit? No, because you're gonna get mauled, okay? And that's what happened to this guy. He got mauled. Just talking about it gets me all angry again. Look, I didn't go off on the guy right away. I didn't go off on him right away. I don't want you to think I was like that. I said, okay, blah, 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 whatever. You know, I paid him lip service just to get him out of my face so I can get this workout done and go home. About 20 minutes later, the guy comes back. Again. Seriously? Bro. God, here we go with this again. Bro, look. Keep it down, man. I'm not kidding. Look, buddy, look, I'm working out, okay? I'm not baking cookies over here. I'm in the gym. I didn't know this was a freaking library. I'm working out. Why don't you get out of my face? And of course, when I said that, you know, big scary black guy, now we gotta, you know, now I'm attacking him. Whoa, bro. Hey, listen, man. I'm just telling you, you need to calm down or we're gonna have a problem here. You don't come at me with, I think we're gonna have a problem here, and then just expect me to roll over and play dead. I don't think so. I don't freaking think so. So I stood up. I looked the guy right in the eye like a man and said, what kind of problem are we gonna have here? Well, if you don't calm down, we're gonna have to call the cops. You seriously gonna call the cops on me for being loud in the gym, for lifting? Well, I'm asking you to leave, so if you don't leave, we're gonna have to call the cops and they'll have to make you leave. Call the cops, asshole. Go ahead. Call the freaking cops. Call the cops, get them down here, and let's see what happens. Go ahead. Guy pissed me off something awful. I was actually just about done with my workout, but I was staying around just to see if the cops would actually show up and what they would say to me. And here you go. I'm sure Phoenix PD's finest here really needed to get off whatever lunch break they were probably on to come down here and kick me out of a freaking gym for making a little noise. And this guy's just standing here. He doesn't even want to say anything. I'm putting my camera in his face and he's like, oh, I don't want to say nothing. Now you don't want to say nothing. You had all the freaking answers a minute ago. Now you can't even be a freaking man about it and man up and say, yeah, I kicked your ass out. What a friggin' scumbag. Unbelievable. I gotta hand it to the cops though. They were actually very, very nice about it. I wasn't gonna, you know, make any kind of trouble. I just wanted to see it. I can tell you guys work out.
I can tell you work out a lot, man.
Well, you know, just trying to do my thing. I'm out of here, you guys.
All right.
I won't put up a fight. Of course, I had to get a dig in on the way out. I told the guy to go. So I'm not sure what my parameters are on YouTube. I try to keep it kind of PG-13 around here. Suffice it to say, I said something on the way out. You can fill in the blank for yourself. That situation just really says what our society has deteriorated to. It's obvious that I'm in there lifting. I'm in there working out. I'm not in there making noise for no reason. I'm working out. Well, I'm sorry if my workout is disturbing somebody else, but if it's disturbing somebody else, maybe you need to go do something else. Shit's not that serious. It's not that serious, okay? A little bit of grunting, a little bit of noise. So what? It's a gym. It's not a library. Who goes to a gym expecting it to be quiet? Do you expect the gym to be quiet? No! I never went back to that LA Fitness or any other LA Fitness for that matter for that very reason. But at least the cops were nice, you know, so that's something. They didn't handcuff me or nothing, so, you know, although that would have been pretty cool for my channel. So that was the first time I cussed out a guy at an LA Fitness, but believe me, he had it coming.